how to Ome TV without login. So you want to use Ome TV, but the first thing that it tells you is just simply log in with your Facebook account or your VKontakte account, right? So unfortunately, as of this date, it is not possible to use Ome TV without an account or a login, just like we had on Omegle. On Omegle, we used to be able to do it, but not on Ome TV. However, if you don't want to create a Facebook account and log in with your Facebook and link to your Facebook, you can always tap on continue with VKontakte or something like that, whatever that app is. And from there, you can simply create a dummy account that you no longer use. Similar for Facebook as well, you can just create a dummy account that you don't use to be able to log in on Ome TV and start using it. But I hope that this video pretty much answered your question. If you have got any further queries, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.